Selling on Amazon can be extremely rewarding, but it's worth understanding how Amazon differs from selling on eBay or your online store. Let's explain using the following example. Suppose we are wanting to sell Superior Sounds branded headphones on eBay or our website. We need to create a listing that contains all the relevant product information needed for buyers. This includes images, title and description, inventory level, fulfillment options, and pricing information. Combined, all of this information becomes our product listing, and we have complete control over all of the content. Selling on Amazon is a little different because Amazon allows multiple sellers with the same item to sell from a single shared product page. An Amazon product page contains the same product information as an eBay or website listing, but it is structured differently and we don't have the same control over the content. An Amazon product page is split into two distinct parts. The listing includes the images, title, description, and product identifier such as UPC EAN. This is shared content for all sellers. The offer contains the price, inventory quantity, and fulfillment options provided by sellers. These are unique to each seller. Every unique product has only one product page on Amazon, but may have multiple sellers with different offers selling the same product. If Supersound's headphones are already being sold on Amazon, as in a product page already exists, then we only need to upload our offer information to Amazon to begin selling. If we are the first to sell Supersound's headphones on Amazon, meaning no product page currently exists, then we need to upload both listing information and offer information to be able to sell. Listing and offer information for Amazon product pages is uploaded via sellers' individual Amazon Seller Central accounts. As a seller, we are in full control of our offer information and can change it at any time. For example, if we want to change the price, update the inventory quantity, or fulfillment options. The listing content, however, is controlled by Amazon. We can choose to update a product image, title, or description in our own Seller Central account, but it's entirely up to Amazon what is shown on the public product page. Amazon chooses from all Seller Central accounts which content they deem to be the best for the product page. In the next video, we will learn the importance of Amazon's unique product identifiers called ASINs to sell products correctly on Amazon.